So let's talk about something that drives pretty much everyone in tech completely crazy. You pour all this time and energy into a training course, only to figure out that the information is, well, it's already old news. Today, we're going to dig into why that happens all the time, and more importantly, what a modern fix actually looks like.
Come on, be honest. I bet pretty much everyone watching has been there. You sit down, you're ready to learn a new cloud platform or a security tool, and the user interface is totally different, the commands don't work anymore. It is such a massive waste of your time. And honestly, it's discouraging. This isn't just some small pet peeve, it's a deep, fundamental flaw in how we traditionally create technical education.
Okay, so what's the deal here? Why does this keep happening over and over again? Well, the root of the problem, the real culprit, is the traditional development cycle for creating this training material. It's a system that was basically designed for a much slower world, not for the insane pace of technology today.
And here's the fundamental clash, right? Technology changes in weeks, sometimes days, but the process to create and especially to certify that training can take forever. This problem gets put on steroids when we start talking about official industry certifications. You know, the ones where the stakes are incredibly high.
And this is where it gets kind of crazy. Look at this traditional process. It starts with something called a job task analysis, basically figuring out what skills people actually need. Fine. Then you have to build an exam blueprint, write tons of test questions, and then, and this is a huge bottleneck, every single one of those questions has to go through a legal review. It has to be legally defensible. And that's before you even think about things like translating it for a global audience. You can just see the delays piling up, one on top of the other.
So what does all of that add up to? Well, you're looking at over a year, a full year, just to get a new certification out into the world. In fields like cybersecurity or cloud tech, a year is basically a decade. The technology you're finally getting tested on could literally be 2 versions old by the time you sit for the exam. It's wild.
And this is the real kicker, right? You've got this huge gap between the goal and the reality. The whole point of a certification is to tell a company, hey, this person knows their stuff and their knowledge is current. But the reality is that this ancient, slow-moving development cycle means people can end up getting certified on totally obsolete information. And in some areas, think critical infrastructure, network security, that's not just inefficient, it's genuinely dangerous.
Okay, so after all that doom and gloom, you're probably thinking, there has to be a better way, right? Well, there is. This is where new, agile approaches are starting to change the game. And one company that's really tackling this problem head-on is Virtualization Options LLC.
So, who are they? They're a tech, research, and education group out of Colorado, and they were basically founded to solve this exact problem. They saw this massive gap and said, okay, we can fix this.
And this question from their founder and chief technologist, Bob Slovic, I mean, this says it all, doesn't it? What if you could do this in hours and days, not months? It's a total shift in thinking, moving away from that slow, rigid process to something fast, flexible, and agile.
You know, this isn't some outsider's idea. Bob Slovic knows this industry inside and out because he's done almost every job in it. He's been a technical trainer, a course developer, a virtual lab designer. He has seen every single one of those bottlenecks with his own eyes. And that's what gives him the unique perspective to actually fix it. Okay, so that's the why. But what about the what? What does this new model actually look like in practice for you and me? Well, let's take a look at one of their main projects, something they call the Lifelong Learning Portal. It's basically their answer to old, static courses.
And their solution is, well, it's pretty bold. We're talking hundreds of courses. They're constantly being updated, so they're always relevant. And get this, they're completely free. The whole goal is just to get current, accurate technical knowledge into people's hands. So you're probably wondering, how in the world do they pull that off? Well, it all comes down to their method for rapid content development. They use top-tier research and advanced AI tech to just slash that development cycle. This lets them create, review, and release high-quality content in a tiny fraction of the time it used to take.
And look, you don't have to take my word for it. You can go check out the Lifelong Learning Portal for yourself right now. They're adding new content every single week, so there's always something new to dive into. But it's not just about free resources for individuals. This whole agile approach opens up something else that's really powerful: the ability to create totally custom training for organizations whenever they need it.
What's so cool about this is that it scales. Whether you're a small team in one office or a giant multinational company, you can get training that's built just for you. This means keeping your people up to speed not just on new tech, but on your own internal policies and systems too.
So yeah, if your organization is still stuck in that old, slow training cycle, this is a real path forward.
It represents a powerful modern alternative.
And really, it all boils down to this one question, doesn't it? In a world that's changing this fast, using a training model from a different era isn't just a little inefficient, it's a huge risk. The real question you have to ask is your learning strategy stuck looking in the rearview mirror, or is it actually built for the road ahead?